Guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to add sticky note in MacBook. So for me, my MacBook is MacBook Air and M1 version MacBook Air. So let's start. First of all, you can pin your sticky on your dock if you already have default, or if you want to open sticky from MacBook, you can just go to Launchpad, or you can just press Command Space and search for stickies. So basically, this is my previous sticky that I saved on sticky. If you want to make new sticky, you can just go to the top file, you press the sticky panel, and you go to top file and you can just make a new note. So basically, it will help you to generate a new sticky, new note. And you can customize your sticky by choosing the font, for example, test. So I will customize my font. You can make the font bold. So basically you can customize others, bigger, smaller, and others text, descript. And also you can change your sticky color to blue, green, pink, purple, and also gray. So yeah, basically this is how you can just make stickies, and the sticky, it will have a auto save default, so you can just open and off it. Thank you.